Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and welcome to UTM-UMP International Innovation Seminar 2024. Thank you all very much for being here today. I am honored and delighted to be one of the speakers for these occasions today. My name is Santi Rahayu and I'm a Master of Primary Education students at Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto. I'm here today to share with you all my innovative learning titled Nurturing Creative Thinking through Mini Water Filter STEM Project. As we all know that nowadays we live in society 5.0 where the physical world and cyberspace are highly integrated. We see the massive integrations of technology around us, making so many innovations that can improve the quality of human life. Education with all aspects of its activities is carried out in the context of preparing future human resources who are able to be adaptive to their times. In various social studies, it is confirmed that Society 5.0 uses technology, data, and automations to be inevitable. Because of this, educations and values must be carried out in preparing human resources with the demands of Society 5.0. Education in the era of Society 5.0 requires everyone to be more creative, innovative, adaptive, and also competitive. In addition, in the 21st century, educations about life skills, or what is known as the 4C, is needed. The meaning of 4C here is creativity, critical thinking, communications, and collaborations. The STEM approach has been shown that uh, it can foster 21st century skills of students. Research has indicated that STEM-based learning can effectively improve 21st century skills, such as knowledge constructions, real-world problem solving, skilled communications, collaborations, and uses of ICT for learning and also self-regulations. The STEM approach encourages students to think more critically, innovate, and develop the skill necessary to meet the demands of the 21st century workforce. It integrates science, technology, engineering, and mathematics knowledge and skills, preparing students to find solutions to complex problems and global challenges. Therefore, the integrations of the STEM approach in education is seen as a valuable means of nurturing the skills and competencies required for success in the 21st century. Then, talking about 4C, especially creative thinking of elementary educations, it needs to be fostered. And we have conducted STEM-based learning on Sekolah Dasar Negeri Karangsalam on the learning of Kurikulum 2013, tema 8, name lingkungan sahabat kita, subtema 1 by making a mini water filter prototype product. This project is designed to nurture creative thinking of elementary school students of Sekolah Dasar Negeri Karangsalam, Baturaden. In the implementations of this innovative learning, teachers introduce challenging and complex problems that require creative solutions. Challenges can stimulate students' critical thinking and problem-solving skills, encouraging them to think beyond conventional solutions. If we look to base competency on Curriculum 2013, that student must achieve in this tema or on the 8th tema, teacher can start with questions like the amount of water in the world is constant, but nowadays we see so much more dirty water everywhere, whereas humans always need clean water. So how to solve it? And then teachers have to facilitate project-based learning where students work on real-world projects. And this hands-on collaborative approach allows students to apply their knowledge, experiment with ideas, and find creative solutions to authentic problems. The analysis of STEM components in mini water filters project is for the S means science, the concept of filtration principles. It is understand the basic principles of water filtrations, including the types of particles that can be filtered and how filtration media works. And then for T, for technology, is filter design. Develop an effective and efficient water filter designs by considering locally available materials. And for DE is for engineering. Prototype design, that a student must creating a water filter prototype and conducting trials to identify weaknesses and improvements. And for the M, mathematics, the design calculations, that student using mathematical calculations to design the appropriate size and proportions of the water filter. And for the engineering design process, it is a systematic process that generates, evaluates, and determines concept for achieving learning goals in STEM. In this STEM-based learning, consists of 5 cycles. The first one is ask. Identify specific problems or needs. Make sure students see the possible solutions to the problem. And for the imagine, students imagine how the mini water filter product could be created. To create it, they can discuss with each other and share ideas in groups of students. And for the plan, students drawing up plans regarding product design, starting from sketches of shape, size, and required materials. And for create, students succeed in making a mini water filter according to the existing design, and after that carry out product trials based on previously determined criteria and limitations. And the last one is improve. Students discuss with other students in a group how to improve and perfect the product. And here is the highlights of the implementation video of STEM-based innovative learning on Sekolah Dasar Negeri Karangsalam, Baturaden, Indonesia. As we see that students investigate possible ways of filtering dirty water to improve its cleanliness. They are designing and building their own mini water filter. They can pick all the material that possible to filter the dirty water, and they arrange it into the layers of materials. And here is the video that shown students try to filter the dirty water, and they see how the mini water filter works. And sure that a good collaboration and teamwork is needed to solve the challenges. And here we go to the next slide. This slide is the conclusions of our presentations today. That I would like to recap that STEM-based learning can nurture creative thinking skill because it emphasizes problem solving, which requires creative thinking to find innovative and effective solutions. Students are invited to look at problems from various perspectives and look for new ways to overcome challenges. If you have any questions for the focus of my presentations today, please feel free to contact me at rahayusanti90@gmail.com. Okay, and finally, I would like to finish this presentations today with this inspiring quote from Chris Woods, that STEM is not a class you teach, it's a culture you build. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has given us new insights on the innovative learning process. Last but not least, I say billahi fisabilil haq wastabikul khairat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.